Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name's Cole, and today we're gonna be tackling a common household problem, a jammed garbage disposal. It happens to the best of us, but fear not, I have a quick DIY guide that can have your garbage disposal running in sometimes less than 10 seconds. Let's get to it. Before we begin, remember to put your safety first. Shut the power off to the disposal. Okay, so our first step is to identify, is the disposal actually jammed? Or do we have another issue? It's likely jammed if you hear a humming noise, but it's not spinning. And it's a quick, easy fix to get it unjammed. Likely the only tool that you need is an Allen key to unjam your disposal. You can get a set like this or this at your local hardware store. And they're usually not any more than like 20, 30 bucks. Let's go ahead and show you how to get it fixed. Here's what your disposal looks like under the sink. And if you look under your disposal, there's a little access port where you can put that Allen key. And all you want to do is put the Allen key in that port and turn it back and forth until the jam is loosened. Once that jam's loosened, it should work as normal. And while we're down here, if your disposal stopped working, there's no power to it at all, and you had a jam, it's likely that you tripped this switch right here. So all you gotta do is just push that switch in and you should have power again. Now that you've unjammed your disposal, the next thing you wanna do before you turn it on is to check and see if the object that was jamming up your disposal is still there. So you wanna get a work light or a flashlight or something and look in your disposal. With your flashlight, you wanna go ahead and push in the rubber and see if you see anything that was obstructing the disposal. If you were lucky enough to actually see the object inside your disposal, you want to go ahead and manually remove that with the disposal off, obviously. And then you want to flush the disposal. You want to flush it for ideally 20 to 30 seconds to make sure it's really flushed out of there, and then you want to test it to see if it works. With the water running, you want to go ahead and test your disposal. If you hear any grinding or clunking or anything, you want to repeat the last step and see if you see anything inside the disposal. That's all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more how-tos in the future, consider subscribing. And if you have any burning questions or you have any ideas for future videos, go ahead and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, guys. Y'all have a great day.